welcome back. I am Ashley Michelle and I'm back again with another video. You can tell by the title, I'm here with this little install, you know, something slight, something cute. Not slight, not cute. This is so out of my norm and out of my comfort zone. You know what I mean? I don't do color hair like that. I was a little skeptical about the color at first, but I think it definitely grew on me. I'm in love with the hair now. I'm in love with it. I don't want to hold you too long in the intro. I just want to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Praying everybody is out there safe and healthy, y'all. Okay? Now without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so let me go ahead and show y'all the hair now. Okay. This is what the hair looks like. I blow dried it. It's blow dried right now. It's really pretty. When I first got the wig, I was really skeptical about the color against my skin because it is really close to my skin tone. So I added in some depth. I don't have my glasses on, but there are some, like, not really dark pieces, but there's some darker pieces in here that I added in myself. This hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. Pretty sure you've heard of them. I want to issue a very big thank you to them for sponsoring this video. They sent me this 16-inch piano highlight T-part closure unit. Oh, and it's also a fake scalp, but I cut that out. It was just this really thin tan material, like a spandex almost. It was really tan, and that's why I cut it out, because it was just too light for me. I wonder the lighting is making me look weird. I'm just talking. It was like this really thin spandex material, and then on top of that, it was like a thin see-through mesh type of material that was also tan, and I cut those out because it was just too bright against my skin, and it looked really weird. So I cut it out. I feel like if you are that skin complexion, then it will look really good, but I cut it out, bleached the knots, plucked the front just a little bit, and actually let me go ahead and show you guys this cap construction. Pretty sure you can see that, see the tracks on the closure. I was a little bit thrown off by it, not gonna lie to you at all. I was a little bit thrown off, but yeah, and I know when I was plucking and stuff, because of, you know, how they don't give you that much lace. So see, like the lace and then where the tracks are, I couldn't pluck that much. But I really feel like this wig is really beginner friendly. So like if you really don't know how to pluck or do all of that, I feel like this would be the wig for you, because it's really not too much space for you to pluck. I mean, I did do some, but you know, it's really not that much space for that. While I'm talking about cap construction, we have, you know, your standard two comb on each side and your comb in the bottom. We have, I never know if these are called adjustable straps. I think that's what they are. We have adjustable straps as well. And yeah, that's it. Cap construction is pretty standard, which, you know, it's fine. Pretty standard. So let's go ahead and put the hair on. The color it's a little bit better. So, but I mean, I guess it looks a little bit better. But you see the parts like this is the darker part. Those are the parts where I put in some of that darkness and stuff, and some a little bit around the part just to make the part stand out a little bit more. This thing is fitting this big old head, baby. I'm looking at my glasses so that I can actually see how the part looks with this cap under it. I actually like it better with the cap going, so All right. I don't know. It don't look horrible, I don't think. I did put a couple layers in it. Well, not too bad. I might put a couple more in. I don't know. I feel like something is off at this top, this front right here. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna straighten his hair. I don't think it looks bad, actually. I don't think it looks bad at all. Because I know when I first put this on, I was like, ugh, this color might look better on somebody who's a little bit lighter than me. But I don't know. I think, because, you know, I'm not a colorist. I don't color hair. So, you know, I did what I could, and I feel like what I did do actually did make a difference. So, I'm proud. So I'm just gonna speed through this flat ironing process. Oh, and I was getting a couple of questions about my flat iron. I'm surprised you guys care. So this is the, what is it called? Conair Infinity Pro. I think this is in a either a half, I think it's a 1/2 inch. Yeah, just, you know, a little flat iron. It's really cute. I love it a lot. You see that, and I think it's only $45. It's not expensive at all. I know they sell it on Ulta.com. My mom got mine from Kohl's, and yeah, I'm gonna just, you know, be real helpful and put the link in the description for the flat iron. I know I said I was gonna speed through this part, and I am, but also before I speed through, make sure that you're checking my description box for the link to this hair and to other products that Beauty Forever offers. Their quality is literally really amazing. Like this hair, I wish I could feel it through the camera. It's really soft. It washes well. It didn't have a crazy smell. And even though this hair is colored hair, like it's been processed really, I haven't had any shedding. And yeah, I haven't worn it really at all. So, you know, if y'all want me to do a little updated review about it, just ask me and I will deliver. But like running my hands through it, even when it was like fresh out the box, and you know, I don't just do a little run, little I literally be like, I'll be doing all of this. And even now, see, it's nothing. Y'all better get ready to get going. Okay, now I'm gonna speed through this. The hair is all pressed out. I think these layers that I put in are absolutely gorgeous. I want to thin this side up a little bit. This is the cutting side. This is the thinning side. So what I'm gonna do is go like under the hair and just, actually let me choose the thickest part. Like that a lot. So now I'm gonna go in with my hot comb. I should have plugged this up and had this heating up. This takes so long to heat up. Like I like the digital, but I need you to heat up like I put you in the fire. So I'm gonna take this mousse right here, and I'm gonna just take a little bit, literally not too much, and put that on the top so I can use my hot comb to flatten everything out up there. See how it got a little bit of kickback? We want to get rid of that. To give it to me. Give it to me. I love this so much. I honestly, when I tried this on for the first time, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I was not confident in it at all. I was like, wow, this is really, like, not saying, oh, it was gonna be ugly, because the wig was not ugly, the color was not ugly, but against my skin, it just looked so weird. And I'm like, I don't know. I be finessing a lot. I don't know if I gotta finesse to finesse this. But look at me now. Finessing. The amount of finesse that I have in my body is astronomical. The volume in this bus. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue this bad boy down. Okay, so for this part, I'm gonna use this Ebin Wonder Lace Bond. Here it is, right here. Is it focused? It is a really good, inexpensive glue. I think it's only like $10. Cause you know the other ones be like 30, 40. I like my Ghost Bond. It just, if you watch my last video, I explained why I really don't use it like that. Well, I do use it because I paid $20 for that bottle. But I explained like my issue with it. And I'm just gonna put down one layer. Yeah. It or not, but this wig is really snug. Like, it fits super well to my head. So the glue is literally well, it's just basically insurance. You know, yeah, that's just a little bit of insurance. No, it's not even insurance. It's just because I'm extra. It's an install. I want to make sure that y'all guys feeling it. And like I said, like, this wig is super snug. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna let it adhere itself. Like, just gonna let it do its snug thizzle. Do some very slight baby hairs. The reason why I stressed slight is because I'm one of those people that, for the most part, I think that baby hairs or edges or whatever you want to call them on colored hair looks a little bit tacky. Just a little bit. If you're doing them real big, thick baby hairs on your colored hair and you think it looks good, you know, that is your personal opinion. I would never want to take that from anybody. Personally, on myself, I just don't like it on the rare occasions where I have tried color. All right, that's good enough for right now. So leave that on. Ooh, y'all seen that? Baby hairs are done. And since I don't have to cut any lace off because I already did that, I cut off the front and back lace because this is a closure. I don't really have like lace to melt or anything. It's not like it's a frontal or nothing like that. So what I'm gonna do, because I'm really just about done. Like, y'all see, that took literally no time at all to finesse. Really quickly, I'm gonna take this Sebastian, what is this? I'm gonna take the Professional Sebastian Shaper. If you watched my what video was that? I forget, one of my videos I did about hair, and I was saying, raving about this stuff. I love this stuff so much, yo. Like, truthfully, Literally, like, this is my favorite hairspray. Honest. So what I'm gonna do is, even though I don't have any that I can see, I mean, I also am blind, I'm gonna spray this at the top of my wig. I'm just gonna go on my board bristle brush. Ooh, baby. Okay, so I'm gonna get dressed real quick, something calm, something slight, and I'm gonna be right back. How do I look? You made it to the end of this video. I really want to issue a very big and special thank you to our sponsor for today, which is Beauty Forever Hair. Let me get a box in. Let me get a box. Let me get a box. Very big and special thank you to our sponsor for today, which is Beauty Forever Hair. Once again, I want to give a very big and special thank you to you. Don't have too much to say in this outro. I just really want to make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Most of all, subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.